Hello, c'est Michel Combe depuis la Suisse. Hi, this is Michel Combs from Switzerland. Et puis on va coder aujourd'hui un peu de Perl. Je voudrais faire une fonction qui match certains noms et utiliser une subroutine pour faire le match avec Perl. So today I would like to do a little code to do special matching with within a grep command. So within Perl, yes, of course. And I would like to basically select some images and rename them. So I will do a match with a subroutine so that we can have complex matching rules. Okay, so again, this is Michel Combs from Michelium. And we will have a coding session live. So let's start with an editor. And I will just code. So let's call a Perl program. Or USL, bin, environment. So yeah, I'm always coding live. So basically I will do real-time coding. So that's it. Just practice. It's like a language, you know. When you talk a language, you don't prepare it. You just think loud. And so I'm coding loud. So what I have is a list of names. Let's do an example to see if it works first. A list. So let's do an array, then array. So my array that will contain a list of elements and items 1, items 2, other items, and more items, for instance. Okay, and so I want to do a grep my sub array equals grep, and I want to do like just for now just a regular expression. So match more or other. And I put that in parentheses because it's a or, and I don't want to save the content, so I do question mark colon. So this, and I do that in an array, so I make a typo in the first place above because it's at array, not hash array. Okay, and so we will print array. That will be the initial one, join, comma, array, and I want to print the resulting one, subarray, subarray, and let's exit. So I usually exit with always the same command, and at the end of the file I always press a 1, just so that we can include it in the package later on without having troubles. Okay, so, and I put my special RCS keyword so that the files can be put on a blockchain. So my source, this is a immutable no code example, for instance, and array matching array .pl. So that's a mutable pattern that is globally accessible worldwide because it's on the blockchain. Okay, so this is the script. Let's try to run it. Okay, I run it in the side window. So perl code 5.pl. Oh, I cannot do code without doing mistakes. Oh la la. Obviously, what did I do? I'm missing a comma. I put a comma as a separator, but it's also a comma to separate arguments. Okay, subarray, nothing. Nothing. What's the problem? Because there's a R in the regular expression. Here you go. So this is what we have. Now what we want is we want to remove that and call a function instead, like a subroutine. Subroutine special match. Let's do camel. Yes. So this one, first we will do the exact same so that it be the same. And so what we will have an argument, and we can do return. Well, probably we can do just plain that, just like that is probably okay. Copy, paste. I paste this way, and here I call the function. So the way I call the function is probably just doing special match. It's a subroutine, so I probably do have to pass it like that. Or I do have to do it with the underscore variable. Let's try. Because I never use that, so it does work the same. Let's try to change, rather than more and other, let's do more and two. It does work. Okay, so this is working. Let's try to see if it's working the other way. The effort is just passing the pointer to the function like that. No, it does not work. It returns everything, so it's false all the time. And if you do like that with that argument, it does work. Let's print the one to see. Yes, okay. So you don't even have to put the underscore. So this is nice. Let's do it this way. Okay, and now we can do more fancy test. Like if match items my result equals 0 $res plus plus if items return res this is others. an example. Other items. So I have others, and items one for sure doesn't exist. So I try that program here, and it does work the same way, but now we can have a full subroutine to do fancy match. So I can apply that to the program that I wanted to do. It's like selects the names of images. So that's good. Cool. So I'll close that session and then we'll come back later. Thank you. That was Coding Live with Michelle.